Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cool freeze effect in Adobe Premiere. First, import your videos into your timeline and create your new project. To have this working, you need to ensure that your video is shot on a tripod. Ensure that they are steady. Also, if you want a smooth slow-mo, you need to shoot in 60 frame or 120 frame. So now that you have that in mind, let's start. Look for your desired frame and click on this little camera here. Under format, select PNG and ensure that import into project is selected. Over here you can change your folder where you want your PNG to be saved. In my project, I'll create a new folder where I'll be putting all my PNGs. Click on create, then click on choose. Next, click on OK. Your PNG image will be automatically imported into your project. Drag and drop it into your timeline on the desired frame. Then adjust the frame and ensure that the image ends where your desired frame is. Next, right click on the image and select Edit in Photoshop. The image will open up in Photoshop. Go to Properties and select Remove Background. So click on that and Photoshop will automatically remove the entire background. For me, this is perfect because I'm still going to use the same image in the project, but for greater output, you can remove the background yourself. For me, this is fine. I'll just go and click Save and go back in Adobe Premiere, and I'll have my first frame in there. Let's have a preview. I'm happy with that, so I'll now go and select my second frame and do the same, repeat the same operation over and over. And even in the other projects, you have to do the same. Go to your desired frame, snapshot the picture, then save the picture and import that image into your project. Modify it in Adobe Photoshop, remove the background and save the image. Then it will automatically update itself in Adobe Premiere. Guys, play with this around and see what will come up. So far, this is what I've achieved.